Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to Guruji Classes. So kids, today we learn the names of domestic animals. Domestic animals are the animals which we can kept in our home as a pet. So now we learn the spelling of domestic animals. COW cow, BUFFALO buffalo, GOAT God, SHEEP sheep, DOG dog, CAT cat, OX ox, PIG pig, HORSE horse, DONKEY donkey, MULE mule, YAK yak, BULL bull, CAMEL camel, DUCK duck, RABBIT rabbit, ROOSTER rooster, HEN hen, GOOSE goose. So kids, we will learn one more time and read one more time the spellings of domestic animals. So now we start one more time. Cow, COW cow, BUFFALO buffalo, GOAT goat, SHEEP sheep, DOG dog, CAT cat, OX ox, PIG pig, HORSE horse, DONKEY donkey, MULE mule, YAK yak, BULL bull, CAMEL camel, DUCK duck, RABBIT rabbit, ROOSTER rooster, HEN hen, GOOSE goose. So kids, here our domestic animal names are and we will meet again in the next video of wild animals. Thank you kids. We will meet again with wild animals.